What if I told you that one of the most powerful medicines for your body isn't in a prescription bottle, probably costing less than a cup of coffee? It's colorful, it's delicious, and you have likely eaten it 100 times without realizing its superhero potential. I'm talking about the incredible and often underestimated sweet potato. I know what you are thinking. It's just a potato, right? Well, not quite. While regular potatoes are great, sweet potatoes are in a league of their own. Think of them as natural's multivitamin. The secret of their vibrant orange color is a compound called beta-carotene. Your body converts this into vitamin A. And let me tell you, sweet potatoes, the richest natural sources on the planet. But that's not just the beginning. They are also baked with vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and a special kind of fiber that does wonders for your gut. Let's break down what this all means for you. First up, let's talk about your eyes. That beta carotene I mentioned, it's absolutely crucial for good vision, especially in low light. It helps protect the surface of your eye and can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So, if you find yourself squinting at your screen and struggling to read a menu, adding more sweet potato to your diet is a delicious and natural way to support your eye health. It's like edible armor for your eyesight. Benefit number 2 is a double whammy: a healthier gut and a stronger immune system. And they are deeply connected. Sweet potatoes are a fascinating source of dietary fiber. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, which is essentially food for the good bacteria living in your gut. When you feed these friendly bugs, they thrive and they help you digest food better, reduce inflammation, and this is the cool part. They actually communicate with your immune system, helping it to function more effectively. So, a happy gut truly means a stronger, more resilient you. And third, for anyone watching their blood sugar or looking for sustained energy, listen up. Unlike simple sugars that cause a spike and crash, the complex carbohydrates and fiber in sweet potatoes are digested slowly. This provides a steady, slow release of glucose into your bloodstream. That means long-lasting energy without that dreaded slump. It's the perfect fuel for a busy day or workout, keeping you full and focused for longer. Now, here is the critical part. You could be eating sweet potatoes but missing out on the most of these benefits if you cook them wrong. The biggest mistake: boiling them. When you boil a sweet potato, many of those precious water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and some B vitamins literally leach out into the water, which you then pour down the drain. So, what's the best way to get the most nutritional bang for your buck? You want to cook them with the skin on and use dry heat. Roasting, baking, steaming are your best beats. The skin helps lock in the nutrients and the dry heat preserves them. And don't skip the skin. It has extra fiber. And this is a pro tip: pair your sweet potato with a little healthy fat, like a drizzle of olive oil or some avocado. Fat helps your body absorb all the fat-soluble beta-carotene much more efficiently. My go-to is simple. Cup of a sweet potato, toss it with olive oil, paprika, and a pinch of salt, and roast it at 2000 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's a side dish that steals the show. So there you have it. The humble sweet potato, a vision protector, a gut health hero, a natural energy source. All it takes is roasting it up the right way. If you found this information helpful and you want to control of your health with simple evidence-based tips, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button right now, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Share this video with a friend or a family member who loves their food and their health. I'm Dr. T. Stay healthy.